Today, we're going to build the Starship Enterprise using 10 Lego pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
We're going to start with this classic 1x1 brick, and that top stud of my 1x1 brick will be the front of my Enterprise. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a 1x1 plate with clip here and put it onto that top plate so it's facing up like this, and the back of my Enterprise, at the bottom of that 1x1 brick piece, I'm going to get another 1x1 plate, but this time with a ring on it. And I'm just going to put that ring into it so the stud goes into the back, and it's on the back of my Enterprise. And now what I'm going to do is they've got that front stud. Well, that front stud, I'm going to use this round translucent orange tile piece to kind of do that light we see in the original Enterprise and the old TV show. I'm just going to put that tile piece right there on that front stud, smooth it out, and create the front light of our Enterprise. And now the next thing I'm going to grab is this 1x1 round plate with 1L bar. And I'm going to put it so that that 1L bar clips into that front clip, and so that the bar piece is all the way at the end. So you can see how it's almost flush in the back and this plate is hanging out over the front. The reason I'm doing that with that stud up is because the next thing I'm going to do is grab a 4x4 inverted radar dish and just put that hole or that little anti-stud in the inverted radar dish onto the stud of my 1x1 round plate with that 1L bar, and I've got the front of the Enterprise completed. Now all I have to do is create those two large engines in the back so they can reach warp speed. And to do that, I'm going to grab two of these tap pieces here, these little tap pieces, and that little handle part is going to go into one side of my ring here. So one goes into the right side. We'll grab another one and put it into the left side. And you might need to play a little bit because if you just push them in, it's not going to be even. You kind of see how that one's too far in. So you're going to want them so that they're an even distance out, about the same distance. And once you have them nice and lined up, you're going to grab these 1x1 round bricks and just put those round bricks into the back of those tap pieces. And we have a completed USS Enterprise, ready to explore the space of the unknown region, to boldly go where no man has gone before.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or check out some of our other videos. Until next time, let's keep building together.